Good morning everyone. It's another bright sunny day today and we're in Paddington and we're supposed to board a train right now to Bath. Sadly we missed the first train at 8 AM, so we're gonna board the 9:03. It's gonna take about 1 hour 44 minutes and then hopefully we'll arrive in Spa and we're all kitted up, ready to go hiking.
So stay tuned!
So the thing is guys, we actually got a very cheap deal for this train, and that's because we actually applied for a 2 together rail card. You can apply for that 2 together rail card, it costs only about £30 a year, and then you can get 1/3 off all off-peak trains, including all Saturdays, Sundays, public holidays. Quite a good deal because original price for this return train is about £120 for both of us, but right now it's only like £80. And guys, we're here in Bath. The weather is so phenomenal and look at the river. Is it a canal? Is it a river? Don't really know, but it's so beautiful. So amazing. Okay, now we're gonna get the bus and we're gonna start our hike. Yeah, so we found the bus stop right next to the main road. Looks a bit strange because just now we could have walked past it without knowing. Thankfully, Google Maps told us that it is here. Yeah, just waiting for U1 from here and then it will take you all the way to the trailhead. Yeah, let's see. So here. The bus ride just now was so expensive. It was £5 for both of us and it's only like 4 stops. We could have walked. Like guys, when you come here, don't take the bus guys, just walk.
It's going.
Yeah.
So you go across there, then you'll go down across the next field.
Okay.
And then you'll
all
walk
the
up.
way.
You'll see this road when you get to about this point.
Yeah.
You staying inside in town? Or
No, we're just for a day.
One day?
Yeah.
One day.
Whereabouts do you live then?
London.
Oh right.
Yeah.
We went to see Hamilton yesterday. So, yeah.
Oh, you went to see Hamilton?
Yeah.
We still haven't got tickets for Hamilton yet.
You live in London.
Yeah.
You go to the ballet. You go to the ballet.
Yeah, I've been trying every day. It doesn't work.
It's worth it trying.
Pound a ticket.
Oh my god.
But it's very good. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
awesome.
enjoy.
Alright.
And have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you! Bye, nice to meet you! Wind is pretty strong, but the view is amazing! For those that do not know how this works, it's quite simple. All you need to do is move this up, and then you can move this to the back. And then make sure you close it. Damn! So guys, we're doing the counterclockwise circle. So we started from Cleveland Walk and then we went through Regent's Orchard and then we're gonna go to this viewpoint and then we're gonna go through the shortcut to the other step. Because right now it's winter, so we don't have much daylight. It will be Maghrib, that means sundown at 4:44 PM. So yeah, we cannot do the full trek. Probably we can, but it will be a bit tight and we really want to try the afternoon tea in Bath. So let's go! Initially when Amalia mentioned that we should go to Bath today because the weather will be nice in Bath, because the weather is quite bad in London right now, I didn't really want to come because in my head Bath is like this kind of over touristy town like Malacca. But boy am I so wrong, because Bath so far is nothing like Malacca because we haven't seen any tourists so far. And that's also because this hiking trail is not something that usually tourists want to do because it's some physical exertion. Tourists usually just want to visit the Roman baths, right?
Yeah.
And the museums and stuff.
We're not going there.
Yeah, we might go there if we have time.
No, we have to pay. We're not going there to pay 14 pounds.
Cheap girl.
Like, what's the point looking at the water when you can see the water in your bathtub?
This is Roman bath. Yeah. She doesn't understand. But yeah, so if you come here and you want to avoid the crowds, go for a hike. Guys, isn't this amazing? Amalia, come here. Look at that.
Free view of
Wow, this is amazing. I think all of you should come here because it's not really that tough of a walk. It's actually quite easy compared to Malaysian hills. It's like probably 1 out of 5. Yeah, so maybe we should fire up the drone again. UK's walking trails are all very nice so far. The ones that we've tried, like if you miss out the video on the 7 Sisters, you should check that out. Maybe click over here or here. And one thing that we notice is the trails usually will pass through towns, cities, or maybe villages, so you're not too far away from civilization. If you have any problems, you can always just exit the trail and look for some help. So yeah, it's definitely, UK is one of the best places to hike that people do not know of, because we always think about the exotic places like Nepal, but UK is pretty nice as well. And the people here are very helpful. Each time we look confused or when we are looking at a map, somebody's gonna stop by and ask whether we're okay, and then they will point out the right. Are you alright? And they will help us, like point us on the right direction. Yeah, despite Amalia wearing hijab also. So
I mean, so far it's okay. I have no issue.
Yeah.
But we'll see if we go all the way to the north, if people's reaction will be different. We'll see.
Yeah, but for now, no issues. They treat her just like another British. So yeah, love UK. And ladies and gentlemen, we are at the last viewpoint. This is Sham Castle. We thought it's an actual giant big ass castle, but a bit disappointed because it's just one wall, but pretty nice I guess, because you can do this. Whoa! Ta-da! Guys, so we ended the hike. The hike was quite long overall throughout the whole... I think if we did the whole circuit, it would have been so much more longer. And we're in Sally Buns. This place is famous for the buns. I think it's like the scones and stuff. So we're gonna have our afternoon tea. Are we having our afternoon tea here?
Yeah, anything. I don't know.
Yeah, just anything. So yeah, time to eat. Oh my guys, this looks so good.
1 hour later.
Oh wow, just now was so amazing. The food was so great. The buns, oh man, that's so life-changing. I thought it would be just another tourist trap kind of thing because everybody keeps talking about it, but it is way above my expectation. Why is the color so blue? But guys, pro tip, when you're in that restaurant, do not order anything other than the Sally buns because the buns are what you're supposed to be trying out. The rest of the stuff like the cakes, so disappointing, not even good. But the buns, life-changing. So we're walking around the city of Bath. It's already sundown because the sundown right now in winter time is very early. Right now it's about 4:40 and it's almost completely dark. So yeah, not much sunlight for us to do like proper hikes. So definitely we're gonna come back here again because Bath is amazing. So yeah. Last stop for the day is the Royal Crescent, and this place is actually housing. Pretty nice. I think it would look nicer in the afternoon or morning, but it's already dark, so it's not very spectacular. So yeah, I think that's the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget us.